G'day. Let's find out about the soil profile. So it's got different layers, and all these layers mean different things. And there's 5 layers, there's actually 6. O, A, E, B, C, and then the R layer, which is the bedrock layer. And how can we use these to our advantage by knowing them? Well, the O is the organic matter. The A has mineral matter mixed with some humic matter. And then the E is a bit more light coloured. The B is an accumulation of above with clay. C is partly altered, and then R is all the bedrock. So by knowing how much organic matter you have, you can know how potential nutrient rich your fields are. So let's go out and have a look at mine, and we'll see if mine's really deep in the O and A. I'll be very happy. If it's very shallow in the O, I won't be happy. If it's very shallow in the A, I won't be happy. So I want mainly the 2 layers. That's where the 2 types, the anegoic and epigoic worms circulate. Where the aneic, A-N-E-I-C ones that go really deep, they're the ones that eat all your worm castings, so you don't want them. So it's pretty important. A few reasons why you know it, but let's go have a look at. Actually, I've got another slide we can go through here, just for those playing at home. There, if you wish to read that, you can press pause. Just a little smidge more in detail. But let's go out in the field and have a look. I apologise about the wind, but here's an area. I'm preparing my field, so I thought I'd check the soil horizons out. You can see it's a bad example because this is a very infertile spot. Up here, well, that's obviously the O down to where the roots are. That might be the A to there, and you can see the colour changes down there, definitely. So that would be where the E, how it starts to go a bit light coloured, and then down here it changes dramatically light coloured, so that's where it's the B layer. So by knowing that, and around here you can see it's all light coloured, so it's not the best at all. So this O layer around here is about that thick, and I know that because this had heaped crusher dust or bad material on it, which looks like now it goes down to this layer. Then down here you can see there's a bit of O or A layer, and then it starts to change when it goes down from that. So now on your horizons you can really, so now I've really got to, if I was going to use over here, I'd scoop down to there because all that's pretty useless, and it would take ages for the roots to get in and try and cycle nutrients, for the bacteria and fungi to get in and do their processes, releasing all the enzymes to break things down, get all the action cycling. So that's about it. Happy processing for you. You get organic rich fields soon too. Please ask questions. Happy to answer any questions. Have a good day. See ya.